Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a bronze glam look like you see here. If you are new, my name is Erin. I put out a video usually every Wednesday and Sunday. I was going to be doing a Memorial Day weekend vlog, but I ended up getting really sick and wasn't able to do half of the things I had planned this weekend, so we improvise and we do a makeup look. If you like what you see so far, please like and subscribe down below. You can also follow me on Instagram at Erin Heartbreak. We're gonna get right into this video though, so keep on watching. As you can see, my face is a hell of a lot whiter than the rest of my body right now. I had plans to go out to Foxwoods last night for my friend's birthday, and I ended up getting really sick and did not feel comfortable with going to a club after being sick all day, so I am perfectly self-tanned and have nowhere to go. So I'm gonna start by prepping my skin with the Smashbox So Chill coconut water. You guys have seen this before in a previous video. Whew, it's like bringing me back to life. So because it's summer, well, it's Memorial Day weekend, so technically it's summer I think, but I like to wear sunglasses. And when I wear sunglasses, I get all of those marks on my nose, and something that can really help prevent that is using an eyelid primer. The eyelid primer that I like to use is the NYX Proof It Waterproof. It's super cheap and it works very, very well. So I will just apply this to the sides of my nose. Sometimes I'll apply it down over here as well, and then I'll just take my finger and pat it in. I bought a new foundation. It is the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage 24 Hour. I bought two shades. The one that I use when I am white as all hell is Natural Ivory, and then the one that I use when I am self-tanned is 220 Natural Beige, and that's the color I'm gonna be using today since my self-tan is so fresh. Always get your ears. Okay, tutorial's over, I'm bronze. Just kidding. And now I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in color 10, which is light. For some reason, this isn't as light as my Tarte Shape Tape, which is fine. Damn, that looks so white on camera. Voila. Just a little bit of brightness under the under eyes just to get rid of whatever deep eye sockets I have.
Is there anything else you need, ma'am? Is there anything else I have the pleasure to get you?
Hi guys.
Is there anything else?
No, we drink Dunkin' here in New England. You just want to lightly powder. I really don't want any form of white cast or to change the color of the bronze look that I'm going for. So we're just gonna use a little bit of the Laura Mercier translucent powder under my eyes, and I'm applying it with the Morphe M438 brush. While I have that light layer of powder on is when I like to do my eyebrows. I do a natural eyebrow, like natural all the way. I like to look as natural as possible, so you will never see an Instagram brow on this girl. I like the Ka-Brow by Benefit. I use number 3. I don't use this brush. It's a little too thick. I bought the Anastasia eyebrow brush, and I think it's brush number 12. It's the eyebrow brush. I take a little bit of product and I just lightly feather out my eyebrows. I like to start from kind of the middle over here, and I am barely touching anything. I am just making light strokes because you want it to resemble how your eyebrows actually grow to begin with. I had chickenpox as a child and I picked them, and I have scars all over my face, specifically my eyebrows, so this helps. I also had my eyebrows microbladed. I don't think it's been 2 years now, but it's been a little while, so I kind of still have the shape. They've definitely faded a lot. I just really need to hit her up for a touch-up. By the way, I hit 100 subscribers. So excited. So excited. I woke up to the email this morning and I'm like, you know what? This was worth being sick yesterday. Now that I gradually went through my eyebrows, I'm just gonna take the spoolie end of the eyebrow brush and I'm just gonna brush them out a little bit in case I had some harsher lines than I wanted. Time to get rid of this powder. I'm not gonna use my big fluffy powder brush that I usually would. I just wanna kind of buff it out. So I'm gonna use the Morphe R10 brush. We're gonna start with the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. Smells like vacation. So I am going to use my Morphe R2 brush and I'm just going to go over my cheeks right now. And I'm focusing it, where I would contour would be right in here, and I'm putting it a little bit higher than where I would be contouring. You want to give definition to your face, but not go overboard. I'm kind of going in like large circular motions back and forth. It's not straight and back, but I'm lifting a little bit and bringing the product up. You don't want to bring it down. That won't give you any definition. As you can see right now, my cheeks already look like cut up, girl. So to break up this big ass forehead, I'm going to apply it really over here. I guess I need to study the human face so I can reference what body parts I am talking about, but I'm going to bring it to the side of my temple. You want to make sure that you're going in circular motions just because you want it as light as possible. When I'm trying to go for a less bronzed look, I will tap the product on. You want it to be super, super natural, but this is going to be super, super bronzy. So we're gonna keep on going. So I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution palette. This is the Ultra Contour palette. And it looks like this. You've seen it in previous videos. We're just deepening up what we did before. As you can see, it's bringing more dimension to my face as well. So we want to do something with the eyes. Obviously, I just used 2 different bronzer shades to really bring myself back to life and give me more dimension. And I'm going to do the same thing with the same 2 bronzers except on my eyelids. I'm using the Morphe M433 brush and I'm putting this back into the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is going to be more of an all over lid area. I feel like I'm whispering today. I think it's because Jonathan's home and normally when I film, he is not home. And he's watching TV and trying to be quiet, so now I'm trying to be quiet to respect him. I'm going to go back into my Makeup Revolution palette with my M513 brush and I'm going to be picking up that same color that I used to darken up my cheeks and my forehead with, and I'm just going to focus it really into the crease just to make it To finish my under eyes, I'm going to take that darkest shade again that I've been using for the bronze, and I'm using a I'm using the Morphe E18 brush, and I'm just going to really focus on my under eyes. By the way, I just threw this top on for filming purposes. It's actually a 2-piece set. I wore it to Newport for my friend's birthday, and I am now selling it. If you are interested in the 2-piece set, I'm selling it on my Poshmark. The link will be in the description box below. I'm pretty much done with everything face related, so I'm just gonna blend out all of this product that I really put on my face. It's a lot of bronzer and you want it to look smooth and not have so many harsh lines. I am just going to spray my face down and I'm using the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. It's the rose water spray, fan fave. Buy it at Ulta, it's like $8. Rose water is really good for your skin in general. Sometimes I will use it just throughout the day to refresh, even when I'm not wearing makeup. It's extremely calming. To finish off my eyebrows, I am using the Maybelline. Damn, Maybelline, why am I liking you so much today? I'm using the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer. And this is the soft brown color. So this is just going to, again, bring back dimension and show that I have hairs on my eyebrows and I didn't just draw them in, because no one likes that, honey. When you look at a light and you can see certain parts gleaming, that's where you want to put the highlight. That's where the natural light is hitting, and that's what you're trying to do, is just create a natural enhancement. I'm almost done. I'm going to go apply my eyelashes off camera and I will be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I went and applied lip gloss. I used another Maybelline product. It's the Vivid Hot Liqueur in Unreal. And then I went and applied Kiss No. 11 eyelashes. They are really, really, really good everyday eyelashes. Super wispy and the band is barely there. So if you are new to using eyelashes, they're very easy to apply and I would highly recommend them. You can get them on Amazon. I will link below. Thank you so much for watching. If you think I've gotten a little bit better at makeup tutorials, thank you. If I have not, let me know so I stop making them, because if you don't like them, I don't want to be putting them out there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.
What am I supposed to do with this heart? How do I take it off if I love it on? It's like a work.